Hey guys, so could Blue Alien coin go to $1 trillion market capitalization? Okay, so maybe, who knows, guys? So let me explain while I'm discussing the idea of a Blue Alien coin going to $1 trillion, and I'll explain what Blue Alien coin is and how it kind of merged and manifested through my contact experiences. So the idea is that it all started when I was in Machu Picchu about 3 years ago, 4 years ago, something like that. 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago, I was in Machu Picchu and I was going through a very challenging time spiritually, mentally, emotionally, physically. No, it was just after that I got COVID, actually, long COVID. Still recovering like 3 or 4 years on. Anyway, so in Machu Picchu, I was at the foot of Machu Picchu in like these Inca ruins. Where's the camera? Where are you guys? Where's the lens? I can't see where the lens is, so I don't know where to look at you guys. Hello, hello, hello. You must be over here. Well, so in Machu Picchu, I see it. So in Machu Picchu, like about 3 years ago, at the foot of Machu Picchu, I was doing like this manifestation thing, and you know how in Star Wars, who is it? It's Luke and Yoda in the Dagobah system, and he's in that swamp planet. I think, is it the Dagobah system? And Luke's getting his training, and like Yoda is telling Luke how he's trying to like raise his ship out the swamp. Can you remember? His ship's crashed in the swamp, and Yoda's teaching him how it's as easy to like raise his ship out the swamp as it is to raise a pebble. You know how it's all in your mind, how manifestation, visualization, creating your own reality and magic, like according to the laws of manifestation and the laws of physics and the law of attraction. Abraham Hicks actually sometimes says it's as easy to manifest a castle as it is to manifest a quarter on the street, or something on the street. And my friend in Glastonbury actually manifested a castle. I'm not joking. He's a big Abraham follower, and he did the visualization, and he ended up like running a castle for about I think it was a bit of a nightmare, actually. Can you imagine running a castle with all those ghosts and everything? Anyway, so yes, so where was I? I was completely off track. Yeah, so the law of attraction, the visualization, and the idea of going to $1 trillion market capitalization. Oh yeah, at the foot of Machu Picchu. And then after this, I manifested Shiba Inu. I mean, like in my reality, because it's my belief that like everything is a dream, everything is an illusion, and we're creating our reality within our consciousness as we go. So I created this parallel reality version of Earth where Shiba Inu meme coin existed, and it had like trillions of coins. And this was after me doing the trillions of dollar manifestation thing. Like I manifested Shiba Inu. So I became like, Shiba Inu is a meme coin, like Blue Alien coin, and it was like the first meme coin, except for Dogecoin. But it was the first one after. It was the first community meme coin, because Doge was just like an accident, like a freak, like that just took off. And that now Elon Musk has taken up for the Department of Government Efficiency. That's a whole nother tangent that we'll not go into right now, guys. Whew. Elon Musk and the aliens. What is going on, guys? Anyway, so after Doge, there was Shiba Inu. It was like the first meme coin, and it was a community token. And this is what got me fascinated, because I've worked online as a spiritual teacher talking about the extraterrestrials for many years. I've actually been on Vice Media, I've been on TV, I've been on the Travel Channel, Really TV in the UK, the Kyle and Jackie O show in Sydney, the Niall Boylan show in Ireland, Vice TV. I got like millions and millions. I went viral on Facebook with millions of views, channeling extraterrestrials on a London rooftop for Vice Media. So I'm very well known for this. I'm just saying that because some of you might be investing, like you're thinking, what is this guy on about? Like, is this guy telling the truth? Well, maybe not. You have to come to that conclusion. But this has been my life for like the last 15 years. You know, I've been talking about this on YouTube for about 9 years now, I think. And you got to make your mind up what your truth is. But I believe this all to be real. I know this is all real, because I know that like we're all infinite consciousness living in an infinite reality. And anyway, so Shiba Inu was like the idea of this community token and building a community. And I loved it because, like I say, I was working online as a spiritual teacher, and I was doing like sessions with clients, and I was doing channeling sessions where I channel the extraterrestrials, and people have paid me like, $100 or whatever. And like there's all these transaction fees, and so I've always been interested in the idea, and I've always been aware of the idea of the economics and the fiat currency, and the way the fiat currency is a big scam, run by the Federal Reserve and the Bank of England. I don't want to get get into that. Nothing against them, you know what I mean? This is the way the economy's gone for many years. And but there's a lot of inefficiencies, to say the least, with the current global economic system. And ultimately, I'm a systems engineer. I'm a systems engineer. I studied manufacturing management, and I'm going into my Coventry accent, I think. I studied manufacturing management and business at Coventry University in the UK, and systems was kind of like my best area of that. And so I've always had this idea of efficiency and like lack of efficiency, like being a Virgo as well and like a OCD. After too many alien contact encounters, like efficiency, like lack of efficiency really frustrates me. In the global economy, so this is the idea, and I was manifesting the idea. So basically, this birthed into the idea of me wanting to create my own community meme token after getting excited by Shiba Inu many years ago, and I started researching Bitcoin and economics and stuff like this. And then, to cut a long story short, so I've been having these extraterrestrial contact experiences since 2009. In 2008, I started doing Dr. Stephen Greer's CE5 coherent thought sequencing meditation. And Dr. Stephen Greer is one of the people who's working in the background with the whistleblowers, with Congress in the United States, to get the US military safe space to come forward and disclose their experiences with extraterrestrials in a safe environment where they won't be, you know, go against their security oaths and be put in jail for breaking their security oaths. So Dr. Greer is one of the guys that's working at the highest level of government with Congress to get the word out and the message. And this guy, Dr. Greer, back in 2008, he taught me, just through studying his videos, never met him in person, how to do the CE5 meditation. And so I connected with the extraterrestrials and had 3 UFO sightings here in Lincolnshire in the UK after doing the CE5 for about 7 weeks. And then after that, I came across the teachings of Bashar, channeled by Darrell Anker. And I realized this was kind of a side effect of doing the visualizations, because I was visualizing a grey extraterrestrial, kind of like this, but grey, you know, the classic grey alien. And then I manifested Bashar, who's a hybrid grey extraterrestrial. And I followed his teachings for a while, then had a contact experience in the forest in 2009 here in Lincolnshire, and then had another contact experience in 2018, 9 years later. This is a long process, guys, a long process. I've been making videos on my YouTube. If you check out my YouTube channel, Jonathan Trinity Martin, and my Facebook channel, Jonathan Trinity Martin, and the same on TikTok, Jonathan Trinity Martin, you'll see all my videos from all the ancient temples. I spent 3 years living in the Sacred Valley in Peru, and this really woke me up, because I saw that all these temples, like in Coricancha and Sacsayhuaman and Ollantaytambo, where I lived for over a year, were clearly built by some beings with a higher intelligence or consciousness, because the architecture was much more advanced than anything we can produce today. So this is on my TikTok channel. I got TikTok channels, I've got videos with millions of views on TikTok, because I was like, if you don't believe this is built by being from Atlantis, then and they triggered loads of people, and they got loads of arguing. And anyway, the videos went viral, my TikTok took off. So this is me, this is my story. And Blue Alien Coin happened after, in August of 2024 this year, I had a contact experience kind of in the astral. I woke up the next day and remembered seeing a blue alien in the garden, running off with an elongated head, possibly an Arcturian, possibly connected to the Yael. I don't know, I'm not sure exactly what's going on. But after that, I had this highest excitement to create a cryptocurrency, initially to learn about blockchain. Initially I was going to learn to code it myself, but that's crazy. I think the ETs just wanted me to learn the fundamentals of it by learning coding. And so that's how this started, and the long-term goal for it is to create a community token, so we can make transactions between ourselves, outside of the traditional dollar. And also it's a long-term project to introduce, to work towards open contact, open extraterrestrial contact with the Yael, the Arcturians, the Pleiadians. The Pleiadians will probably be the ones that come first over the next few years. And ultimately, as an engineer, to begin to introduce advanced extraterrestrial technologies, free energy, teleportation, portal technology, this kind of things to planetary Earth. So perhaps Blue Alien Coin could go to $1 trillion market capitalization in an intergalactic economy. Think about it, guys, an intergalactic economy. Anyway, peace, love, light, and Shivai. So anyway, if you sign up for Blue Alien Coin, you can have a free intergalactic alien channeling session with me. So buy some Blue Alien Coin, message me, and I'll give you a free channeling session. Peace, love, light, and Shivai. Sign up somewhere here. Yeah, the instructions on how to buy are here, guys. Peace. I love you all. Shivai.